Paul walakira ngesi erailo Apollo Kiton ajakanuto ko district kalo katakwi obuichora Atumunak kalu emeda unete kotoma o program lo e general kwape skilling young people kanija ido local action aidebe ekoto kesi aishi shaun enonolo aimono apiai kanu atujo courage utenekechelo ngaren.
You need to have a culture of saving. Business is very difficult. You can have a package of salt, and when you come to the profit, it is very small.
Obu wala kira ichora Atumunak aswam kagogong teteremam kesi era unetelu ilipilipitoi.
In any business, one has to be hardworking. One, you must have love for the business you have chosen. Whether it is animal rearing, birds, all business, retailing, you must love.
Middle income status, you get. So we are seeing 2040, we ensure that Uganda leaves peasant status to middle income what? Status, okay? And now, that's why Action Aid is coming in to complement government work, which I told you, wealth and job creation.
Aradisilo district kalo katakwi retired Major Godfrey even Katamba ngesobu olimo ke Atumunak kaluko district kalo katakwi ama musainyaka akwapuna ko Uganda kau kwape jare engarone loko Uganda euta yangar itunga toma Akerianut,
so that we are able to join together so that we push all our population, the 40 million population, into a middle income what? So don't drag us behind, because when you go and expand, then you are helping us to employ another person who was poor. Everything is possible. The problem is attitude.
Ikotakiro nenda ichie kotoma Atumunak kalo poti mela tukotoma program kalo keso poti nerakino sikeda luyemuto abakasida ebe ationole mkesi eja utene nara amame iponelo adumuna PI kanu kesi ajaria potisiala mixero loka action aid kanu adotun kesi yako kwae kotoma akongo
ngara action aid adumna machine na ngeris oke bonbe kopana pere ngalo side lakini eja utene la ingere ai talaisa pa kwesi borong ne face scrub borong kire jasi so apedenga dum ni borong lu mamle menga pedorita ajata le menga skill konye manga pedora dum ni borong one sky nene rengo poloke bonba pikwa nalo sekinga na julai ne jautene kamera ile matami to street ande na ino mechapa tingi pengi na satamta so msine ile machemo konye dongo pite desk
pupinga yala manano so makengo action 8 pala majengo chala gneri morte ngeje pe bunike dake kwa rederi lukumni uni achipa ina ngadumni ngo konye kwa pelolo adum nenga na adum ni borolu etiani lo ena kengo action eda pupinga yala manoi do beta halo status so mi borolu ajula ne kaja utene
yala muna action eda na kinga chala muna nara kwa na kinga no damu pulo nara kutukuni bisibora kera pulu kwa da somam kada ka bugu yala ma action eda ngara kinanga kere iboro kono wala na rikwate eduka boro kwa tamu nara kido kana ngaspodore eje utene lokal
lola era arucho Kinton edon loka action aid kodi suta kalo katakwi Moses Okech nisida abala ebe ipu iboro loya ngautos kesi kano akorake na Atumunak kaluda putu kesi tutuwe so ade patrikeche namba akaisa kanyeuni iboro kwa penata chalanin iboro lepukorere idukai iboro nyerere akwes ka aichip akwes ka icheda.
You have people who are going to do barbering. Yeah. This one chair, there are two, there's supposed to be two chairs. But we decided to buy one, and I conditioned them that co-fund so that you own. Yeah, so we bought according to what he requested us. Yes. So he bought for him. He can start.
Kanuka TV East, Francis Ochen, Kodi Suta Kalo Katakwi.